Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're continuing our journey with the second episode of The Secret of Us, breaking down key phrases that you can use in daily Thai conversations. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's dive right in.
โอ้เป็นยังไง เป็นยังไง
Is a common and informal way to ask, how is it? Or how are you? In Thai. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts to check in on someone's well-being, ask about an event, or inquire about a situation.
เป็น
This word functions as to be in Thai, indicating a state, condition, or identity.
ยังไง ยังไง
This translates to how in English and is often used in casual conversations to inquire about the manner or state of something. You might also hear
เป็นยังไงบ้าง เป็นยังไงบ้าง
is a slightly more detailed version, asking for an update or explanation, often expecting more than one response. The addition of
บ้าง
opens up the question for multiple aspects of the situation, such as asking about someone's day or an experience.
เป็นยังไง
จะไม่ปล่อยความรักของไป จะไม่ปล่อยความรักของไป จะไม่ปล่อยความรักของไป
means I will not let go of my love. In this sentence, the character earn refers to herself using her own name instead of a pronoun. This is a typical usage in Thai, where someone might use their own name to express determination or emphasize personal feelings, especially in casual or emotional contexts. Additionally, kin terms are often used as pronouns in Thai. For example, a mother might refer to herself as
แม่
which means mother rather than using
ฉัน
I or me for female speakers.
จะ จะ
Indicates future tense, meaning will or is going to.
ไม่ ไม่
Means not, used to negate the verb.
ปล่อย ปล่อย
Means to let go or to release.
ความรัก ความรัก
Means love.
ของ ของ
Means of or belonging to.
ไป ไป
Mean to go, or in this context, it emphasizes the action of letting go.
จะไม่ปล่อยความรักของไป ของเองค่ะ ของเองค่ะ
Means it is from me or it belongs to me when Earn is referring to herself using her own name instead of a pronoun.
ของ ของ
This word is used to indicate possession, meaning of or belonging to. It's similar to how we use of or s in English.
เอง เอง
Self or own. This word adds emphasis, meaning my own or by oneself. In this context, it emphasizes that whatever is being referred to belongs specifically to Earn.
ของเองค่ะ อย่าลืมทานนะคะ อย่าลืมทานนะคะ
Means don't forget to eat.
อย่า อย่า
This means don't and is used to negate an imperative, giving a command or request in a negative form.
ลืม ลืม
This means forget.
ทาน ทาน
This is a polite form of the verb to eat. It's commonly used in formal or polite speech, especially when speaking to someone you respect or in a more formal context.
นะคะ นะคะ
This is a polite particle often used by women in Thai.
นะ
Adds a soft, friendly tone and
ค่ะ
is used to indicate politeness.
อย่าลืมทานนะคะ
คุณรถออกไปก่อนค่ะ คุณรถออกไปก่อนค่ะ
Means, Ms. Rose, please leave first, or Ms. Rose, you may go first.
คุณ คุณ
Is used before a person's name to address them respectfully, similar to Mr., Ms., or Mrs. in English. It's a general honorific used for both men and women and is appropriate in both formal and informal settings. It can also function as the second-person pronoun, you. It is the polite way to address someone directly, especially if they are not close friends or family members.
ออกไป ออกไป
Go out or leave.
ก่อน ก่อน
First or before.
คุณรถออกไปก่อนค่ะ
กลับดีๆก็ได้ค่ะ กลับดีๆก็ได้ค่ะ
Means, all right, I'll leave properly, or okay, I'll go willingly.
กลับ กลับ
To return or to go back.
ดีดี ดีดี
When used as an adjective, it can describe something that is very good or of high quality. But in this sentence, it is used as an adverb, meaning carefully, safely, or properly.
ก็ได้ ก็ได้
This phrase can mean all right, it's fine, it's okay, or as well. It often indicates a tone of acceptance or willingness to agree to something, even if reluctantly.
กลับดีๆก็ได้ค่ะ แต่เอิญจะกลับมาอีกนะคะ แต่เอิญจะกลับมาอีกนะคะ
Means, but I will come back again.
แต่ แต่
This means but and is used to introduce a contrast or exception.
จะ จะ
This indicates the future tense, translating to will in English.
กลับมา กลับมา
To come back.
อีก อีก
This means again.
แต่เอิญจะกลับมาอีกนะคะ แล้วเจอกันอีกนะคะ แล้วเจอกันอีกนะคะ
Means see you again soon.
แล้วเจอกัน แล้วเจอกัน
Is a common way to say see you later or see you soon in Thai. This phrase is casual and friendly, making it perfect for everyday use in situations where you expect to see the person again relatively soon.
แล้ว แล้ว
Is a very versatile term in Thai, and its meaning changes depending on the context. It is often used at the end of a sentence to indicate that something has already happened. This usage is similar to the English word already and is used to convey that an action is completed. When used between two clauses, it can indicate a sequence of events, similar to then in English. Sometimes it is used at the beginning of a sentence to introduce a follow-up question or statement, similar to so or and. In our phrase, it functions similarly to then or next, implying a future action or event, such as see you then or see you later.
เจอกัน เจอกัน
This phrase is commonly used in Thai when saying goodbye, similar to see you in English.
แล้วเจอกันอีกนะคะ
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. See you in the next one.